Medellin. Just the name used to conjure up images of,
well, let's just say chaos.
But here we are, in 2025, and suddenly it's blowing up.
People are calling it the #1 destination for single men.
Is that just internet hype, or is there something genuinely revolutionary happening here?
Because in this video, we're not just scratching the surface. Forget the polished travel brochures and those perfect Instagram filters.
We're diving deep into the real Medellin. We're talking about the women, the electric nightlife, the surprising cost of living, and the kind of lifestyle that could genuinely change your entire trajectory. If you're a single guy who's been thinking about a serious passport upgrade, a whole new scene, maybe even a total lifestyle reset,
you need to keep watching.
Because what we're about to uncover in the next 25 minutes might just have you booking a one-way ticket by the end of this video.
Stick around, you won't regret it.
So, what's the big deal? Why is Medellin suddenly the talk of the town, especially among single guys?
Let's break it down.
First off, this city is shockingly clean, incredibly safe compared to its past, and it sits at this perfect altitude that gives it spring-like weather year-round.
Seriously, it's nicknamed the City of Eternal Spring for a reason.
This isn't your grandfather's Medellin.
It's transformed from the most dangerous city on Earth, and yes, it was once called that, into one of Latin America's fastest-growing digital nomad hubs. It's a testament to human resilience and ambition. But what's really pulling single men in droves?
I'd say it boils down to 3 game changers: the unbelievably low cost of living, the unique dating culture, and frankly, a quality of life that just feels
better. Think about this, you can live really well here on $1,500 a month. And I mean well.
That's a modern apartment, your gym membership, weekend nightlife, even some luxury dining.
Back home, for many of us, that barely covers rent, right?
So, if you're feeling squeezed by inflation and stagnant wages, Medellin just screams opportunity.
And that's just the tip of the iceberg.
Alright, let's get into the elephant in the room, and this is where Medellin truly stands out.
Colombian women.
They're renowned, globally, for their style, their femininity, and a culture that still values deep connection. In Medellin, it's still normal for women to appreciate charm, a genuine connection, and loyalty. If you're tired of what passes for dating back home, that alone makes Medellin feel like a dating paradise for Western men.
But let me be super clear, this isn't some fantasy. Approach still matters. A ton. Respect, genuine charm, and making an effort to understand the culture go a long way here. These women aren't looking for sugar daddies, they're looking for connection.
You know, the kind of authentic human interaction that feels increasingly rare. So, here's your edge: learn a little Spanish, smile, and just be yourself.
Be genuine. Trust me, it makes all the difference.
And speaking of genuine connections, wait till you hear about the nightlife here.
It's totally different than what you might expect.
If you're used to the chaotic, often frustrating nightlife scene in many Western cities, Medellin completely flips the script. Places like Provenza and Parque Lleras are packed with trendy lounges, incredible rooftop bars, and authentic salsa clubs.
And here's the key: they don't feel like tourist traps.
They feel like real places where real people go. Most nights here start late, dinner around 9 p.m., drinks by 11, and dancing until 2 a.m. or even later.
But it's not just about getting drunk.
The vibe is social, it's sexy, and it's more about being in the moment, connecting with people.
You'll see couples dancing together, groups of friends laughing, and yes, solo travelers making genuine connections. It's a playground without the pressure.
Of course, Tinder works here if that's your thing, but the best nights?
They almost always happen face to face. Which leads me to something else that will probably shock you.
Here's what blows most people's minds about Medellin: it's incredibly affordable without feeling cheap. You can genuinely rent a high-rise studio in a prime neighborhood like El Poblado for around $700.
A gourmet coffee for you and a new friend? Maybe $1 each.
A fantastic steak dinner?
We're talking $15.
and a gym with a sauna and a rooftop pool?
Seriously, $40 a month. You don't downgrade your life here, you upgrade it for less money.
That's precisely why digital nomads, entrepreneurs, and remote workers are absolutely pouring into this city. You're not just saving money, you're buying back something even more valuable: time.
Time to focus on what matters, time to explore, time to live.
And that, my friends, is something most men are severely short on.
But don't just take my word for it.
So, what's it really like to live here long term? We've connected with guys who've actually made the move, and honestly, most of them say the same thing: Medellin isn't just a place, it's a lifestyle reset. The pace is slower, but the energy is undeniably higher.
People are friendly, the women are approachable, and the culture, it's genuinely addictive. Now, it's not a utopian fantasy. No place is perfect.
Safety can still be an issue if you get careless or complacent. The common sense rules still apply: blend in, be aware of your surroundings, and don't flash wealth. But even with that, most expats will tell you they've never felt more alive, more grounded, or more connected to the kind of man they truly want to be.
It makes you think, doesn't it?
Have you ever felt that spark of a lifestyle reset yourself?
Let me know in the comments below if you've ever had a similar experience abroad. So, the big question:
should you book that flight to Medellin? If you're a single man who's honestly tired of the modern dating landscape, sick of sky-high rents, and just stuck in the same old grind,
then Medellin in 2025 might just be exactly what you need. This isn't just a vacation spot, it's a launchpad for a brand new lifestyle.
One with better weather, deeper connections, and yes, what many describe as a much better dating scene.
Just don't come here with a fantasy. Come with respect, come with genuine curiosity, and come with an open mind.
Medellin rewards those who seek more than just a selfie.
It's more than just Colombia, it could seriously be your next, most exciting chapter. If this video sparked your interest, hit that like button right now.
And if you're ready to explore more life-changing destinations, make sure you're subscribed to the channel and ring that notification bell so you don't miss our next deep dive.
We've got so much more to share with you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.